What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Fred, and you see that little game right there? You see that little game? Let me turn on my Wi-Fi if I'm gonna play it, because I want no disruptions. Let me go to my driving games folder. Hold on. Give me a sec. Let me look at the light. I'm just joking. We're playing Extreme Car Driving Racing 3D. It's a game where, like, you can escape from the police, be the police, or just drive normally. So I'm going to show you all the different modes. You can have free mode, police mode, checkpoint mode, or traffic mode. I'm going to show you each and every one of them, and then we'll go into the thick of it. So basically, all you have to do is just drive around and, like, damage your car and stuff. As you can see, there's a little bit of ambience in the thing. In the sound of the cars. Basically, let me move the... Okay. You guys see how my car is damaged, right? You guys see that? Well, if I press the wrench, watch this. Boom. This game came out in like 2014, so I don't need... But anyways, on to the next mode. We have checkpoint mode. So it's just all checkpoints, which I don't know how handy it could be. If you know what handy is. Oh, of course. Yeah, awesome. But anyway, I'm never gonna play that mode again. There's two different types of there's two different types of police mode. You can play as chase, or you can be the suspect. I'm gonna show you what it's like to chase a vehicle. So first, the car comes up, right? And then I just have to go catch it. Like we are finna party last night. You guys know what I mean? That's just gonna be my I can't back. I'm just gonna be my face from now on. We finna party. Let's go. No! He's escaping! No, oh, what the heck did I hit? Oh, sure. Yeah. How come you can make tight turns, but I can't? No! But anyway, and then there's free mode, where you can just play with no, like, distractions, no traffic. Just, yeah, test everything out, you know? But there's no test in the dumb game, so why even? Why even bother? Escape. You can also select your cars. You can select the nice Dodge Charger, which is also indestructible too. Whatever this is, and the Lambo for 10,000 coins. The Charger is for 4,000 coins. So let's just get. This is what it basically means. Come on. Come catch me. I can't press the button. What? Is the button not a thing anymore? What's going on? I can't press it. Hold up. Yeah, I can't press it, guys. There's this thing where you can look back. I can't press it though. I cannot press it. You guys see I'm trying to press it. I can't. Let me reset. Let me reset. Oh, it says 2015. This is like 2015. No. No. This. Are you joking? Are you literally joking? So I can't look back to see if I escaped or not? Are you serious? That's what you're telling me, game. Okay. Yeah, thanks a lot. Just scratching my leg, guys. I'm so mad right now. Now I won't be able to look. I mean, the only way I'm gonna be able to look back is if I reverse. But how is that gonna be handy when they're just gonna catch you immediately? I cannot press the thing, yo. Is that not a feature anymore? 2020, man. 2020. I'm dead. No, you ain't gonna over. Oh, come on. Well, I don't know why I always... Shut up! Dumb police cars. I don't don't get why I always record videos, but I don't upload them immediately. You guys know what I mean? 6th gear. Oh wait, I have to hit something. It's not like I'm in free mode right now. What am I doing? Okay. Boom, just sideswipe them. There we go. Oh, okay, Tokyo Drift. What's up? Oh, fuck. Awesome. Yeah, great start. Great start to the race. Great. That's off, Lil. No. No! Come on! The heck? I don't know what I'm doing with my life right now. Trying to complete this. And then, by the way, the steering wheel is actually kind of acting weird. Again, 2020, I cannot press... Oh, now I can press it. Seriously? Is it... Oh, it was probably because of my tablet. It's something. Now I can press it, though. Oh, okay, great. Great. Nope. Oh, for goodness sakes. Okay, there's another road here. Come on. Did you guys see that? The police car got on top of the other one. Okay, Tokyo Drift up in this game. That could have messed up the whole run, but... How come I'm faster than you, police? How come? Oh, shoot. What are you doing? Oh, great. Awesome. Continue doing that. He's gonna sneak into a building and go. It's not like he can get out of his vehicle anyway. I just like to pretend. Because they can't get up here, so... Oh, don't you dare. You see what happens? Watch. Watch this. Which is why I had to stay there. Oh my god. Okay, that damaged my car some bit. Yeah. Can you guys pay my car, please? For insurance? Someone put an F in the comments. What the heck is going on? What the heck just happened? The flipping... Okay. There was a police call that was... Okay. Now I can't... Oh my... I have to press it in like... Now I can't press it. Seriously? Hold up. Let me get... Okay, now. I have to do this in order to press it. See? But anyway, there was a police car floating, right? And it was slowly descending. Like... I don't even know how the song goes. Bye, Felicia! Oh, fuck. It was because I looked back. Stop doing that! Please. Okay, go. Go. That could have messed... It messed up the whole thing. It messed up the whole flipping thing. It messed up the whole thing. I cannot turn. Thank you. Bye, people. I'm faster than all of y'all. I thought this was like a dead end, but not really. Bye, Felicia. And nobody catching me today. What is this type? What is this car based off of, guys? Someone let me know in the comments. Because I played this when I was like younger, and I don't even know. Oh my sweet lord! Yo, you guys see this? Oh shoot! Here they come. Here they come. Yeah, as if, y'all, as if. Crashing into each other like y'all flipping stupid. Y'all out of your mind. Oh, great. Come on. There we go. What's up, y'all? Oh, shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot. What's up? What's up? What's up? What? Stop! Leave me alone! Idiotic police! Stop! Abuse! Hold on, I need to scratch my back leg. I don't know why every time I wear clothes I get itchy. Flipping annoying. No. Ain't none of y'all catching me today. None. None of y'all. I'm actually faster than them right now. Which is unfair because I go like 200, like almost 190, 190. Oh my god. It was because I was looking back. Nope. Nope. Get in there. Quick. No. Quick. 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 Come on. And then the police are gonna leave. Like, he's gone. Do I even have enough money? Apply paint job. See? Not everything is gone. Let's see. I don't know why for the start of the thing I can't. Oh my god! Stop! Stop! Itching! That's the worst one. A side story. Tim. A tall kid. Nope. 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 Took a shortcut. Awesome. Okay. What? Nope. Nope. Okay, take a jump quick. Okay, that was close. That was close. Hold up. Give me a sec. Yeah, I know I got arrested. I kept on pausing and unpausing the game because I wanted to move my camera position. The like straight up arrows are like super annoying. Like it's just all sharp turn, you know? Like all serpentine. The tilt is what is annoying the most. Because I have to move the tablet around. It's annoying. Which is why I stick with the steering wheel. What? Oh wait. I completely forgot I was paused. So I was literally talking to myself for like the whole 2 minutes. Yo soy un idiota. I am an idiot. That's what I am. Eso es lo que yo soy. Un idiota. Y tú también, policía. I love the flipping policía, pero I swear to God, not in this game. Yo le odio la policía de este. Le odio. Swear to God, man.